In this vlog, I will show you a little behind the scenes action of what it was like to fulfill all the Kickstarter pledges and hundreds of sketchbook orders. Hi, if you're new to my corner of the internet, I'm Elaine, a mixed media illustrator and a textile designer that uploads creative videos once in a while. This year is the first year I have a balcony full of flowers. Some of these flowers grew from tiny seeds and some of them were gifts from my neighbor. It's incredible to watch them grow. Some of the flowers were mysteries to me since I grew them from a seed, and when they bloomed into beautiful flowers, I felt that the detail and beauty of nature is a reflection of how wonderful God is. And these colors and textures eventually find their way into my art. Back in February, I launched a Kickstarter to fund the production of the sketchbook that I designed. It's a mixed media sketchbook that I designed initially for myself, but because I kept getting asked about it, I decided to try to see if I could get it funded on Kickstarter. This sketchbook is a versatile square size with a pretty linen cover, embossed stamp, vintage inspired pages with a back pocket, elastic closure, and a ribbon bookmark. But my favorite part of the sketchbook is the 50% cotton paper, which I found to be perfect for watercolor and gouache paint. The paper is creamy white, 200 GSM thick, and has a fine texture, making it lovely for dry media too. The Kickstarter was successful, and I've been waiting for the sketchbooks to arrive to me from the manufacturer since. And there were some delays, and I also feel like I underestimated the time that production and shipping would actually take. But thankfully everyone was understanding and patient, and these sketchbooks arrived soon after. And they're here! We've been waiting for these sketchbooks for months. I'm so nervous and excited at the same time. I was initially worried that these sketchbooks would come in one enormous box, but I'm glad they split them into smaller boxes. This makes more sense. Bringing these boxes into our tiny apartment was such a great workout, and I'm also grateful that my husband helped. Some of these boxes were dented, so I was a little worried that the sketchbooks would be harmed, but they were packed so well that the sketchbooks look perfect. I didn't imagine this moment, so I didn't realize how many sketchbooks this would actually look like, but look at how many I have. So this is also my first time seeing these sketchbooks because we made some updates according to your feedback. We made the sketchbook 1 inch larger all around. We added the ribbon bookmark, the back pocket to store all your inspiration images and loose papers, and I also added a cute belly band with some tips on how to get started. So I was really excited to see these sketchbooks, kind of nervous too of course, but I think you'll love the changes and I think you'll love this sketchbook. Let the packing begin. I'm really excited about the custom wrapping paper that I got to design for these Kickstarter orders. They were printed to match the lining of the sketchbooks. I turned my dining room into a mini warehouse, and I hired my first part-time helper, Sam, who meticulously packed over 100 orders for me. She was such a huge help. Sam recently graduated from college and is going to be off to work her first adult job soon, but she agreed to help me, and I was so happy that I didn't have to fulfill all of these orders on my own. I really enjoyed her company. Alright, we have over 150 orders here ready to be shipped. I am driving to the post office right now, and I am shipping So yeah, it's pretty crazy how we got to like pack all of that together in only a day. I'm really grateful for the college grad that I hired, Sam, and then also my friend Vicky, who came over in the evening to help me pack some of these orders. I'm really excited that these are actually going to creative hands and into their rightful homes. I cannot wait for you to receive your sketchbooks.
Is a Kickstarter purchase actually, and it's by Elaine Lee. She's another artist here on Instagram.
She created her own sketchbook.
I got the journal that I supported on Kickstarter, and I'm so excited about it. It's really pretty and nice paper.
How beautiful these pages. Okay, this is like spoken like a true artist.
I love it. It's a hardcover. Super cute. Love the inside.
This feels like such a pivotal moment in my small business that I know I'll refer to this moment again and again. And that's why I wanted to make a vlog about this whole process. Seeing other artists dive into my sketchbook and seeing them create their own beautiful works in these pages has been such a gratifying experience. I feel like I found my calling. I love serving my fellow artists, and this has been such a fulfilling journey that I'm planning new sketchbook designs already. So going forward, you may see me focusing more on my sketchbook business than my other products. These drawing diary sketchbooks are currently sold out, but by the time this video is posted, hopefully these sketchbooks are back in stock. So check out my website if you'd like one. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.